Understanding about the audience in digital marketing is one of the most important part of your campaign or of your business. एक customer audience ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ, how they come, what they like it's more important thing for every digital business. So in this video I'm going to share with you my old strategy, my old tips, my old secret, how I understand my audience and how I target those audience through my campaigns, right? So keep in touch and just have a look on this video. That will be really helpful for you. So let's get started. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. In this video I'm going to show you guys what is the basic understanding about your digital marketing audience. Guys, this is one of the important part. चाहे तुसी Google ad use कर रहे हो, चाहे तुसी Facebook use कर रहे हो और जिहड़ा मर्जी platform use कर रहे हो in digital, the basic understanding about your own audience is one of the important key factor of your success. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the basic understanding जो मैं अपने ads लिए use करदा. Whenever I just created my own ads, then I'll think about this all audience. This is the basic understanding. If you are new in this channel, this is the great for you and for the beginners. Or if you are not a beginner, then if you do not know about it, might be this can be helpful for you. If you guys on the screen, I'll just get the screenshot of it so that I can show you very quickly. Guys, we have two kind of audience. The first audience ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ new audience, means we called as a cold audience, right? ਸਾਡੀ cold audience ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ, means they are new or for us they are totally new for us. They don't know about our business. We called as a cold audience. And who knows about us? We called as a warm audience. So we have two kind of audience. One is cold, one is warm, right? So guys, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ cold audience ਹੈ, we always ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟਿੰਗ ਕੰਪੇਨ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, the paid marketing campaign, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਹੋ, ਡਿਸਕਵਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਹੈ ਨਾ? ਸੋ ਉਹ ਡਿਸਕਵਰ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਬੇਸਡ ਔਨ ਆਵਰ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ, ਬਿਹੇਵੀਅਰ ਤੇ ਡੈਮੋਗ੍ਰਾਫਿਕ. ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਾਈਟ ਬੋਰਡ ਤੇ ਕਲੀਅਰਲੀ ਸਮਝਾਊਂਗਾ, ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਸਮਝਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਕਿ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ, ਬਿਹੇਵੀਅਰ, ਡੈਮੋਗ੍ਰਾਫਿਕ means what sort of interest your audience have, what sort of behavior they have, and where they are living, what sort of age they have, and they are male or female, what gender they have. So this is the basic things jo sanu help kardi hai to find out our dream audience. I'm right? So jadon assi apni dream audience find out karde ha, then I always prefer to run a one campaign based on our cold audience, so that jina nu sadi ad nazar aayegi, they come on our website, right? The people who came on our website means they knows about us, right? And we called those audience as a warm audience, means if they are interested, that's why they click on our ad, te sadi website de utte aaya, means they are a bit interest in our product. So guys, we called as those audience warm audience. So guys, एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ हो रहा है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. I will be share with you some my old strategies, secrets कि warm audience ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣਾ happy customer ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, because you have to create some good relation. And what sort of relation you have to create it, I will be share with you some other videos, but ਇੱਥੇ just basic understand ਕਰਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ कि इंटरेस्ट, बिहेवियर, डेमोग्राफिक ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੋਲਡ ਆਡੀਅנס ਮੀਨਸ ਨਿਊ ਆਡੀਅנס ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਐਂਡ ਵਾਰਮ ਆਡੀਅנס ਹੂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਨੋਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਅਸ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਤੇ ਪੇਜ ਦੀ ਆਡੀਅנਸ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਨੋਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਅਸ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਈਕ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪੋਸਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਮੀਨਸ ਦੇ ਬਿਟ know about us. So we consider that audience as a warm audience, means I consider it personally. So that's the reason I always create the campaign, right? So मैं अगर तुहानू white board ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂ, might be that will be really helpful for you for the basic clear understanding. The cold audience, A stands for audience, guys. The cold audience based on our interest, behavior, demographic, means they do not know about you. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ad ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, if they like your post based on your IBD formula, if they like your post or ad, they come on your website. और अगर तुसी वेबसाइट नहीं start की थी, some people they do not have a website, means they just directly they get a messages like comment share on their Facebook page. We know that everyone has our Facebook page, and that also consider as your warm audience अगर उन्होंने तुम्हारी post ਨੂੰ like share comment करना, right? So guys, this is the cold audience we have. Now the people who came on your website, मैं इत्थे जिवें बैक ते तुहानूं दस्सिया ऑलरेडी वैबसाइट ते या फेसबुक पेज उन्होंने तुहाडा लाइक किया, कोई भी पोस्ट ऐड लाइक शेयर कमेंट की, वी कंसीडर दोज ऑडियंस एज एन वार्म ऑडियंस. सो दिस इज द ऑडियंस वी हैव गाइस, राइट? ये दो तरह की ऑडियंस है. आई होप दैट हेल्प्स. नाउ जिहड़ी वार्म ऑडियंस है मीन्स दे आर बिट इंटरेस्टेड इन आवर प्रोडक्ट but they haven't complete our action which we want, right? चाहे वो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ checkout ਦਾ पेज है, चाहे ਤੁਹਾਡੀ free cheat sheet है, या कुछ भी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ free offer ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, contact ਲਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, messages ਲਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, but they haven't contact you, but they haven't click on that link which you want to get click, which you want to them click, right? So guys, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, it means you might have little bit you do not have a good communication or good relationship with the customer ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ audience ਹੈ. So ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ, based on our warm audience we create some custom audience. I'll show you some another video how you can create a custom audience which we called as a segment. Then for this segment, चाहे वो 10 audience है, चाहे वो 1000 audience है, चाहे वो 2000 people है who already knows you, right? I'll show you in another video how you can create this one, but in this video I'm going to show you a basic understanding. तो ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ये segment बनेगी, इस segments ਨੂੰ we target those segment with some special ads. Segments target करनी है ਅਸੀਂ with some special ads. Special ads means this is my strategy which I always use. Some special ads means you have to build a good relationship with your client or customer. You have to show them your credibility, what you have. You can show them some good recommendation, reviews, so that jehda customer है जिन्हें थोड़ी ad देखी है, so that they can make some believe on you, right? They can believe on you, or they can make some good relationship with you. So this is the basic understanding ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਰਮ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ. ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਦੈਟ ਯੂਰ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਦੇਅਰ. You have to create your own belief. ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ? Through your reviews, then through your satisfaction guarantee, or any else things. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ, you can tell them we've been providing that services from last 5 couple of years, so that they can believe on you. So ਇਹ some strategies ਅਸੀਂ use ਕਰਕੇ, ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ probably use ਕਰਦਾ, offer some discount and urgency, right? So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ discount offer ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, so that they can come on your website again, और जो भी तुसी अपना desire उस link ਨੂੰ click करके जो भी तुसी उन्होंने देना चाहते हो, free cheat sheet या call, and they can contact with you, right? So this is the basic understanding about. So ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੱਛਾ ਜਾਂ desires ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. So this is the basic things about the warm audience and the cold audience. मैं again that's right, cold audiences will be based on IBD formula, interest, behavior, demographic. Once you bring them into your website, they convert as an warm audience. And one more tip here, guys, cold audience wala campaign different banega. Warm audience means retargeting wala campaign different banega. I'll share with you in next video how we can make it. Cold audience wala campaign bit expensive hoega rather compared to the retargeting campaign, because retargeting campaign which people who already knows you, you can get a good result from that campaign, and there will be little bit cheap campaign, or a little bit not an expensive like in cold audience campaign. So I hope that helps, guys. In the next video I'm going to share with you my all campaign, my all account, and how we can create the campaign. And keep in touch with us. So if you new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe this channel, or have any kind of question, feel free to comment it. I'm more than happy to give an answers of your questions. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your watching.